Hi, welcome back. Let's learn cha-cha caliente. Woohoo! Fun, 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 fast. Cha-cha-cha. Let's go. Okay, it's 48 counts and 4 walls and all to a cha-cha-cha beat. So it's too much fun. Right, Demi? It's too much fun. Yes, yes, and she gets treats. Woohoo! Okay, so we're going to start at our home wall, and we're going to do a step that I haven't done before. It's very cute. So we're going to put our toe down and our heel up and do a quarter turn. So it's quarter turn. So it's 1, 2. So heel, and then you can put your toe down. When it's fast, it's easier. So it starts, that's how it starts. That's the first 1, 2, then a cha-cha-cha or a triple step towards the 3 o'clock wall. Then we do a rock, recover, and a 3/4 triple step over our right shoulder back to where we started. So triple step. Okay, let's put that together, right, Demi? Let's put that together, yeah. Okay, so our new step with a heel. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, step, triple step, rock, recover, 3/4 turn. Awesome, awesome, awesome. One more time, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8 with counts 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, first 8. One more time, then we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Second 8, another rock recover with the left foot. So rock, recover, and a half turn to the 6 o'clock wall with a triple step or cha-cha-cha. So rock, recover, triple step, and then we keep turning over our left shoulder with a pivot, pivot, turn, triple step, or cha-cha-cha. I'm going to call them both. Is that okay? All right, so the second 8 is a rock recover with the left foot, turning over our left shoulder a half a turn. So rock, recover, and a triple step. Keep going. Pivot with the right, half turn, and a triple step. Okay, we are 2 8s down. Let's put them together. I'll give my recording partner some more treats. You're so cute. You are so cute. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pivot. And a triple step. Perfect. First 2 8s. Third 8. We're going to go to the left side with the left foot. So we're going to do step, clap, and step. So we just did our triple step going forward. And our left foot's free to do step, clap, and step. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then we do another half pivot with the right half and a triple step going towards our side wall, which is now our 3 o'clock wall. Triple step. Awesome. Okay, third 8 from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, clap, and step. Hold, turn, and triple step. Just a half turn. Okay, should we put those 3 together? Are you ready? Here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, step, triple step. Rock, recover, 3/4 triple rock. Recover, half, triple, pivot, turn, triple step to the left, and step, and pivot, turn, triple step. Awesome, we're almost done. Well, we're getting there. We're getting close, yay. Okay, so we just did our left, pivot, turn, triple step. Guess what, we get to do another one. So now we're gonna do a left over our right shoulder, pivot, turn, triple step. And another one, pivot, turn, but this time we don't triple step, we step right and left. Okay? So what is that? Our fourth count of 8. Oh, you're so good. You're so good. So our fourth count of 8, we just did our step, clap, and step, hold, pivot, turn, triple step. No, another one, pivot, turn, triple step, and another one, pivot, turn, step, step. Awesome. This is our new wall, so we're going to stay here for 16 more counts. All right, should we put those together so it'll make more sense and you'll get that muscle memory that Carrie talks about all the time? That's so important. Okay, right foot's ready, and we're going to do a quarter heel. Heel, step, triple step, rock, recover, triple step, rock, recover, triple step, pivot and triple step to the left, step, clap and step, pivot, turn, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step, pivot, turn, walk, walk. Yay, we did it. Okay, so our next 8, well, let me count that. Let me count it for you. So we're going to start from the top, first 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third 8, 1, 2, hold 3. Fourth 8, triple step, rock, step, step. Awesome. Just did our last pivot and walk, walk. We do rock and step, kick, ball, change, toe strut, or a hip bump, and a hip bump, and a hips, 2, 3, 4. Start again on the right foot. Okay, last two sets of 8. Here we go. So we just did our pivot, turn, walk right, walk left. And we're going to do a rock, rock and step, kick, ball, change, hip bump, sway, sway, or hips. A lot of variations right there. You can roll your hips, roll them. I'm probably just going to do the sway, sway, sway. Okay, so last 16 counts. We just did right, left. We do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to go again. Well, sort of ready, right? Okay, let's do the last 16 counts one more time, and then we'll put it all together and practice, practice, practice. Muscle memory will kick in for this really fun dance called Cha Cha Caliente to J-Lo's song On the Floor. Oh my gosh, so fun. So we just did our pivot, turn, right, left, new 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, hips, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Should we try it? Let's try it. Should we try it? Huh? Shall we? Let's try Cha Cha Caliente. Let's try it. Okay, from the top. We're going to put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, step, triple step, rock, recover 3/4, rock, recover half. Keep going. Step, clap, and step. Pivot, turn, triple step. Pivot, turn, triple step. Pivot, turn, walk, walk, rock, and hip. Oh, nope. Rock and rock. Kickball change, hips, and sway or move your hips. Then we start again. Okay, let's put it together this time, all the way through, a couple of times. From the top, 5, 6, 7, with words. Heel, triple step, rock, 3/4, rock, and a half, pivot, and a half. To the left, step, clap, and step, hold, pivot, turn, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step, pivot, turn, walk, walk, rock, and rock. Now kick, kick, and kick, then hips, hips, and hips, and sway or move your hips. And it's pretty fast. So let's do it with counts all the way through, and the top with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Walk, walk, rock and kick, and hips. Oh, I'm not counting hips. Okay, sorry, I forgot. I'm going to count this time, promise. And the rock is I was taught it's rock and cross, rock and cross. But again, you have variations. If it's easier for you to just step, that's fine. But I'll probably say rock and cross, rock and cross. Okay, what else? And then again, the variations at the end, after the hip bumps, lots of different hip things you can do that are fun and very J-Lo, right? Okay, with counts from the top. Oh, more. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi's contract is done, right? You've done your appropriate hours today. But thank you, you're so sweet. Things that help me during this dance is, yes, I'm on this wall, but I'm going to move for a minute, but I will go back to it after the 3/4 turn. I go back to that wall. The other thing that helps me, there's only 2 rock recover turns. The rest are half turn pivots, half turn pivots, half turn pivots. If that helps. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay, here we go. From the top on our new wall, we're going to turn to over our right shoulder, right foot, 5, 6 with words, 7, 8. Turn, triple step, rock recover, and a 3/4, and a rock recover, and a triple half, rock recover, and a triple half. To the left, pivot, turn, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step, pivot, turn, walk, walk, rock and cross, kick, and hip bumps, and sways, or whatever you want to do. Then we go to the other new wall. But then we go back to that one, right? So there's only one 3/4 turn, and it's the very first one. And there's only 2 rock recover turns, and their very first two, and then we just do the half pivots. That's how I remember that. Okay, from the second wall, we count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, step, triple step, rock, recover, 3/4, rock, recover, half, rock, recover, half to the left, left, and left. Pivot, turn, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step, pivot, turn, walk, walk, rock and cross, rock and kick, kick ball change, and hips, and sways, 2, 3, 4, and we start again. I think you've got it. Thank you for joining me. Practice, practice. Have fun with Cha Cha Caliente.